everyone, it's Irene, the cosplay counselor, here to help you with your high school, college, and career questions. Now today's video, I'm going to teach you the 5 steps to be able to apply to community college. Now sometimes you may hear some students extending their stay at the community college because they're not able to get the classes they need. So if you go ahead and follow this video, I'll give you the 5 steps and the time frame to complete them so that you will be able to have priority registration and be able to finish in a timely manner. Now if this sounds like a video that would be helpful to you, then keep watching. Step 1, apply for FAFSA. So you're gonna go type in FAFSA.ed.gov. Regardless if you qualify or not, the community colleges need to know which pot of money they're going to draw to help fund your education, or at least make it accessible for you. So depending on the community college you decide to go to, the first 1 to 2 years can be free, but they need your FAFSA information to be able to find out your eligibility. Step 2, apply online. So depending on which community college you want to attend, whether that be Irvine Valley College, Golden West College, or whatever community college you decided you want to attend, go to that community college's website. There's usually a big fat button that says apply now, and you're going to go ahead and click on that, fill out the information that they need, so then they'll be able to assign you a number and some portal information. Step 3, complete orientation. Depending on the community college that you decide to attend, after you fill out your application, they'll give you instructions on what that orientation looks like. So some schools may have an in-person orientation that you would need to attend, and then there are other schools where you can complete an online orientation through the portal information that they've given you through your application. Step 4, schedule an SEP appointment. Now, SEP stands for Student Education Plan. So you're going to schedule an appointment with one of their community college counselors to gain advisement on what classes you should take. So for example, if you're planning to be an x-ray technician or a nurse or a construction worker, there are a series of classes that you'll need to take in order to finish that certificate program. Now, if you plan to transfer, there are different transferable classes that you can complete in order to continue on to a 4-year college. You'll need to be able to identify what your long-term goals are so that that advisement meeting will be fruitful and you'll be able to know what classes you'll need to take. Step 5, register for classes. Now this is not to be confused with step 4, where you're having advisement on what classes to take. Step 5 is where you're actually choosing the classes. They'll usually assign you a time period and when you can actually pick your classes. So you're going to have to think about when you want to take it, what day you want to take it. You have so much more flexibility than when you were a high school student in selecting your classes. Now make sure that you're available during a time slot that they give you, because the later that you wait, the less seats that might be available and your selection will just be more sparse. So make sure that you are available for whatever time slot that they give you. So those are the 5 steps that you'll need to complete in order to successfully register as a community college student. Now, you can do these steps as late as the first week of school. However, the classes that you'll be able to take will be a lot more limited than if you do it earlier on. So I would do step 1 right when the application period opens on October 1st. However, the deadline is June 30th, so you still have time to apply if you have not done so already. Steps 2 to 5, I recommend all students to complete those steps between January to April, but the earlier you complete those steps, the more class opportunities that you'll be able to select from versus if you did it later on. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would love it if you would share it. For more information, please check out my website, cosplaycounselor.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!